This is how I like to cook bacon in the oven. It's a lot faster than cooking in a frying pan, or you can only cook a couple pieces at a time. So put your bacon on a cookie sheet with foil underneath and arrange it without overlapping. Turn on your oven to 400 degrees. You do not have to preheat or else the edges curl up. Once it gets going, flip it. I like my bacon a little soft, so about 15 to 20 minutes, and once it starts shrinking up a little bit, that's when you know it's done. So you have perfect bacon ready to go. Drain on paper towels and it's ready to eat. Cleanup is super simple. You just have to throw away the foil. Once the grease hardens up a little bit, you just have to throw it away. And you have perfect bacon ready to go. You can do it. I believe in you. If you fail, don't give up. Ever. Keep trying and have a wonderful day.